Hi, it's Matt again. This time I'm going to take you through a quick tour of the user interface for the Profit Pages editor. This is the main spot where you'll make all your changes to content. The editor is really broken up into two sections. You have your page sections on the right here. As you can see, you have your product description, your tabs, and two images with text sections. You can view any of these sections at any time by hovering over this little eye icon, and that'll take you to your sections. Within the page itself, you have what I call elements. Elements are kind of blocks of content. So for example, here, this is a paragraph element and it's a block of content. This is a headline. These elements can be dragged and moved around the page using the handle here. As you click on an element, you'll also get properties for that element. So if you click in the paragraph, for example, you'll see the HTML and you can set CSS classes and IDs. You can also adjust the design using stuff like background colors or padding. So there are a lot of options available to configure stuff to make it look exactly like you like. An important element is also images. Images are really easy to replace in Profit Pages. You simply click on the image itself and you can upload a new image. You can select a new image from our library, or you can select an image from our image designs, and I'll talk about image designs a little bit later. The next big piece is really like if you have sections, you can also get properties on that section. For example, I can click on tabs and I can see like my CSS classes for the tabs. I can also, for these tabs, kind of adjust the design and spacing and animation. For example, if I really wanted to change the background, I could go into design and choose a different background color. So that allows you to kind of make the look and feel look like you want it to look. The next important concept is really around moving stuff around on the page. For sections, you can move them around using this little handle here. So if I wanted to move this image above the tabs, I can do that. As you can see, it now appears above the tabs. Let's move this one up as well. And within the content itself, you can move elements around, as I said earlier. So that's just a quick overview of how to use the editor. I'll go into a little bit more depth on individual elements in a future video. Thank you.